everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. I am Amina, and we are meeting after a very long time. So, today we are gonna be solving this CSS battle. Hopefully, you know what is CSS battle. If you don't know about CSS battles, then you can search on YouTube. So, basically, you just need to, open your search CSS battles and all, and you need to click on the first link and sign up, make your account, and enjoy. So, this is a challenge basically. See, look at here. We have to make this big circle here, and here we have given the image, and here we can see how much we have completed. So this is the basic code that they have already given us. Okay, so firstly we are gonna be removing all the comments because we don't need them. Okay, now you can see here we have this div. Basically this is the HTML, and this is the style tag which we are gonna be styling our this circle like in CSS. Okay, so firstly we are given here this div, and inside this div this is the box, and this whole white background is the body. So here we have already given two colors. If we click here, then the color will be copied, right? Here is the body, here are the curly braces, and after that we are gonna be writing here background, and we have copied that color, remember, like this. We are gonna just paste it in here. Now you can see this same background color has applied over here. Now what's more, so this is the little square, and we have to make it a giant circle like this. So first we have to set the width. First we have to make the circle bigger, so we'll just set the width and height for, I think 200 pixels is good, but we have to make a circle. So we'll do border radius to make it round. Okay, I'm sorry, and here we can do for 50%, I think. Okay, see, this circle, I think it's perfect. There is just one difference between these both circles, and that is that in the final result there is no padding or margin, so we'll not add this. Look at here, the difference is already being shown, right? So we'll just go to the body and we'll write here margin 0 and padding would be 0. Now let's see. Okay, I think it's perfectly done, but the difference between this and this is the color. So we'll just copy this color, this is the circle's color, and we'll paste this circle color here. Okay, there are two hashtags. Okay, I think now it's fully completed. Look at here, there is no difference between this and this. Okay, now we are gonna submit this by doing Control Enter, or we can click also. Let's see if it's correct or not. Okay, this is perfectly done, and congratulations if you make it. Make sure to share your achievements on Twitter and tag me so that I can know that you made it. Thanks for watching.